1.2 million. Hey, Jesus Christ, God. And wow, I want to take up the one again. A cool. Hey, Jesus. I enrolled for a culinary course. My lovelies, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. Today I want to carry you along my activities for the day, a day in the life of a mom of two with two kids running school runs. That's not the title, I'm just saying that, okay? So Misha is currently making her hair outside and my kitchen is in a total mess. I want to go and fix that. The kitchen, the dishes are due to be washed, so let's go and wash the dishes. Let's just go and wash plates. I want to do everything that needs to be done in this house today. Yeah, and I want to make Mitchell's food for tomorrow's school. Today is Sunday, tomorrow is Monday. I like to make her food today so that tomorrow I'll know that she's not going to be late because of that. And I'm cooking beans. Oh, at this point you can call me Madam Beans because I like beans. And I cook my beans in different ways, not just in a particular way. Today I might cook oil form, tomorrow groundnut oil, next tomorrow fried, just in different varieties, different ways that will make it to taste different. Yeah, so making beans today and I'm going to be showing you guys how I cook this particular beans. This is my oil groundnut oil beans. Cooking beans on the school morning can be very hectic, so I like to do it a day too. So I know that in the morning it's just for me to microwave or to warm it and add my plantain to it, but I do that plantain in the morning. Yeah, so it will be fresh. Yeah, let's just go about my day today and enjoy the rest of the vlog. This is dry pepper I'm adding. You can choose to use fresh pepper instead. And next I'm going to add the chopped onions. I've already added my crayfish and I forgot to show you that part. After some minutes, it's time for me to add my bouillon cube, and this is non-cube I'm using. I love to use non-cube. Please feel free to use any bouillon cube of your choice. So now I'm going to add some salt to taste and some more water. I like my beans to be kind of soggy. I don't like it when the beans is strong. So adding more water will do that for me. Next, I'm going to add the vegetable oil. I'm not frying this. I'm just going to pour it in like so. It's morning and I'm frying my plantains now because I wanted to have that fresh taste. That's why I'm doing it the next day. I can always microwave or warm my beans. It's still going to give me that freshness, but for plantains I'm not sure it's going to do that. Lovelies, good morning. Today I'm in a hurry. I'm going for an interview, and that is a culinary. I enrolled for a hey, Jesus. I can't pronounce culinary. My goodness. So I enrolled for I enrolled for a culinary course here in Warri. That is like the program is like a scholarship, a free NGO stuff. So the amount we are paying is fine. Thank you. So the amount I'm paying for this course is not that much, but I want to do this so as to improve my skill in culinary, and they have this food photography in the program and all of that. So I want to up my game for you guys and put you through what I'm learning. So yeah, that is what I want to do today, and I want to carry you guys with me. And I really like when I went through their website. I love what I saw there. I love the way they take their courses, and yeah, I want to learn from the experts. So let's start from here and let me improve my culinary skills. So yeah, lovelies, let's do this. I'm going there. I'm almost running late for this interview. I'm going to carry you guys along as we go, but let's get ready and leave the house already because I'm almost running late. I'm almost running late for this program, and the program is not starting today. The program is starting July. We are almost coming to the end of June. We have just a week to the end of June, so the program is starting July. I just heard about it. My sister sent me the link since, but I did not check. So it was yesterday she called me and she was asking me, Alpha, you don't enroll for that thing I sent you. I was like, what is it about? So I checked it out. I loved what I saw. So I'm doing this. I think today is the last day of the interview. So I just hope I get this because today is the last day, I think. Today is the last day. So let's do this. Yes, I don't want to run late because I'm almost running late. So let's go. And I'm carrying you guys with me to this interview. I really want to up my game so that I'm going to be speaking like an expert when I'm doing this, when I'm talking to you guys. I just want to learn from experts, and yeah, so let's do this. Okay, by the way, welcome to a new vlog. If I have not introduced you to the vlog, welcome to a new vlog. And how are you guys doing? Hope you are good. Hope you are good. Yeah, so let's go. Yes, my love. I don't make up too much. I like my face simple. So yeah, Mira, I'm done. Let's go. Let me pack my bag. Off we go. Because Mira is coming with me, I need to take some things along. What is that? Crayon. Hope you are not writing this crayon on my way again. And wow, I don't pick up crayon again. No. Don't use crayon on my wall. Do you hear me? Okay. Okay. I'm done. Yes, I'm done. I'm going to add Anki and I'm going to get wipe and add wipe to the bag. Then add my purse and that is it. I've gotten everything I need and I just remembered I've not used my sunscreen. Leaving the house without sunscreen. Mad. Here's my sunscreen. Hey, my goodness. Here's my face sunscreen. Oh. Hey, my goodness. Okay. I've seen it. Mira, please close the door. This sunscreen don't finish, but we'll manage it like that. For my face, very important. Mommy, it's cream. The sunscreen. So that sun will not burn my face. Leave it too, don't touch it, please. I'm using this one. So the sun will not burn us. Try come on for outside. They not use this thing for pain. Love this. Let me talk to you guys later when we get there. This is the place. Are you for the interview? Have they started? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Everybody here is waiting for their turn. Yeah, waiting for the interview.
So, are you looking to start a business for this? Yes. Okay. Now, let me just give you, if we're going to enter this program, the limited number of students who want to accept for this program. And this very program, we need to screen out some persons. So, if I accept you, as soon as you can, fill your forms, take care of every single thing you need to take care of so you can secure your slot. Is that okay?
Why basic culinary arts?
Yes,
I want to improve my skill and
yes, it's very.
help others with
It's a step-by-step process. So when you get the first email, it will tell you if you're accepted or
give me
not. If
some
you're accepted,
resource
give you a
material
form. You have to fill out a form. Immediately you fill out a form,
resource material.
an account should be credited
Yes.
for you
Give me
for your
some
practical
resource
fees.
material.
I'm sure you already
Okay,
aware of
that
the
is
breakdown of the fees.
there's
So
one I
the
watched
scholarship
on
covers your
YouTube.
tuition. It's just those
Yes, food
fees that
safety.
you're taking care of. So
It's just that
immediately
one.
you take care of that.
Give me a
it moves
summary
you
of
to
what
the
you
next
got from
phase
the
when you
video.
get your
Okay,
time
it talks
for
about
further information. The
hazards
program is
that
starting in
affect
2 weeks.
food. While some of them are from your pods, then others are from environment. So those hazards are things that can affect the food.
Do you have any? I see here that you have this business fundamentals program.
Yes.
Okay. Are you sure you'll be able to cope with both?
Okay, can you please give me enlighten me on that?
Okay, so the School of Business program, it's a separate program, but we actually allow students to do that program and do another program. So while they learn their skill, they can learn the business part of it. and after they are done, they are able to, most persons, when they finish from it, they might not really have the business knowledge of it. So doing the sort of business program, whilst you do another program, and then you have the business knowledge of it, and when you come out, you're able to start up something for yourself.
Oh, okay, the business part of
So,
the culinary.
but the fees are separate. It's a separate program, just like
Okay.
yeah, so if you come to classes twice a week, one for your culinary program and one for your school of business. So
The
if
fee
you
is very small, it's about 12,000.
the fee is just 12,000 for
Ah.
So
Then if it's just for the culinary, how many?
now it's 6,900.
that covers your practical fee, so you're not buying any material in class.
Give you apron.
Every culinary school you go to, for every class, you buy materials. But what we do, because it's a scholarship program, we cover your tuition and your practical fee. We combine it with other people, we put in a group, and we use it to get everything you need. So through the program, you're not going to buy materials again for class.
Okay.
So that's where that fee goes, is for the entire 4 months.
Okay. Well, I saw 24,000 on the website.
25,000 for
That's
the
a practical
practical
fee.
fee. Then there is administrative and facility fee. And then you
And you need
have
to
your
get an
apron.
apron.
5,500. Yes.
Let me show you something of the apron.
Lovely, the kids and I are back. We just came back. So I picked Michelle up from school on my way back from the interview. Lovely, I'm done with that. And I just hope I'm picked, because it is a scholarship and it depends fully on if they are going to pick you or not. I wanted to record the last part. The guy said something. He said something about the program being a private program, that they have a paid program that is a private paid program, and that one is 1.2 million. Jesus Christ, God. He said I should ask around, that culinary courses are really expensive, that one is 1.2 million for this duration of time I'm going to take this course. And I'm taking this course for 4 months. It's once a week. So yeah, and he told me the price when I was trying to compare, because I registered for 2 courses. I had to take one out, so I was trying to compare prices with the other course, and I feel the other course is not too important, because I don't think I'm going to have that time to be going there twice a week. So let me just do this once a week. And yeah, so I took out that one. When I was analyzing the prices, then he went further to tell me that, see, this thing is just voluntary thing, and it is based on them if they are going to pick you or not. And to do this outside, I should check and ask the price, that it is 1.2 million. They collect Nigerian currency. If to convert that in dollar, that should be about $1,000 or $1,200. Yeah, about that range. So that's the amount they are collecting for culinary here in Warri. So yeah, I just hope they pick me. Check. Please excuse me, I'm talking. Okay, when I'm done, I'll attend to you. I finished giving you sweet now. So hold on. Let me finish what I'm saying. Don't distract me. So lovelies, I just hope they pick me. I love the setup. I love the way they are organized. And I really would want to do this. I want to do culinary course. I love it. I want to improve. Take. So I would want to improve my skill. So yeah, that is all about it. So let me talk to you guys later.